Belina mai kākou o wau o kuma maile, coming to you from Huaʻōlelo on the island of Molokaʻi. Our Manaʻo Monday o lelo no eau is a long one. So I want you to take your time and I'm going to break it down, but I'm going to say all by myself first. ʻAʻole no I ʻike ke kanaka I nā nani o kona wahi I hānau ia ai. Whew. Now say it with me. Let's break it down. ʻAʻole no I ʻike ke kanaka I nā nani o kona wahi I hānau ia ai. And that translates to, a person doesn't see all the beauties of their birthplace. So many layers of meaning behind this. We get to call this place home. And sometimes when we see the same thing every day, we forget how truly beautiful it is. Or perhaps it might take on another meaning for you. This place is so beautiful, but right in front of our eyes, we're seeing so many things change, so many distractions, so many developments that can block the true beauty of our home. So let's say it from the beginning. ʻAʻole no I ʻike ke kanaka I nā nani o kona wahi I hānau ia ai. Our ha'awina o lelo Hawaii for today is how to say, excuse me, pardon me, forgive me. E ho'opili mai, repeat after me. E kala mai, maikaʻi. Such an important one to know. When we can humble ourselves and ask for forgiveness for maybe mistakes or wrongdoings that we've done, it makes our whole being much more at peace. It makes peace with the person that we're apologizing to or saying forgive me to. So let's say that all together one more time. E kala mai, maikaʻi. And of course you can also use this in a more casual setting when you're asking someone to, oh, excuse me, you know, if I'm in a crowded elevator, e kala mai. If I need to go in front of auntie real quick to see something, oh, e kala mai auntie, I'm gonna be real quick. Yeah, so let's try it one more time. E kala mai, maikaʻi loa.